Hey everybody, it's Sarah for Chromayati Fine Art. Today I'll be showing you the process for a 24 by 36 Malkinite inspired piece. This canvas is actually only one of 3 canvases that I made for this client. Unfortunately, due to some technical difficulties, I only have footage from this piece, but stay tuned until the end and I'll show you how the full set turned out. The paint I used here is a medium consistency, and the technique I'm using is a combination of a ribbon pour and a pseudo flip cup. If you like to see an in-depth video on how I mixed this large amount of paint, I'd add a link in the description below. The essential process for this look is layering paint in a cup, giving it a slight swirl, and then pouring it onto the canvas. Since my paint is a medium consistency, it will mix slightly in the cup and is what gives each pour a blended, smooth look. From there, I will then alternate which colors are added to the cup so there's some variety and balance to the canvas, and tilt and adjust the composition as I go. This is definitely the most challenging part of making this kind of painting. As you know, the paint is going to do what it wants to do. So I work very intuitively, and I just try to look at the composition as a whole, work section by section, and mostly just try to create balance in the overall piece. After the canvas dries, I'll touch it up and adjust any areas with my leftover paint. And that's it. I'll jump off here now and let you enjoy the rest of the process video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And as always, happy painting.